A mother, father and their 14-year-old daughter escaped unharmed in Bangla village in Bhoi district when their house and shop were destroyed by a landslide triggered by heavy rain on Wednesday evening. The landslide resulted in the loss of their belongings, including fruits, vegetables, pickles and other items sold in the shop. No one was injured. Headman of Bangla village, because Lau Rinyang, noted that around 20 families in the village are at a risk of similar landslides and called upon the government to implement necessary protective measures to safeguard these residents and prevent potential accidents.
Nakalang jong ka sarkar lada department ko dipek habis kini subha ba dalam kapala banirap lem yik nang sunong sinam bakin mengat ha kajing khuslai lan dari jing jenja di perkat jongki.
Nongpo MLA Meryl Bond's aim to